Hi, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today, and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath this video, it's important for my growth on the YouTube platform that if you're enjoying my content or you're watching my videos, please take a second right underneath to hit that thumbs up. It really means a lot, and it helps me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, let's get started because I'm really excited. This is the choice day for IPSY Glam Bag and the last Glam Ultimate that we get to do our choices, and then we'll get to share the flash sale that they usually do right after this. So I know it starts at 9 o'clock, so I set my computer up. We're going to unveil, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed that everything is up and running. So here we go. So this is the new bag that they're talking about, which is the Glam Bag X. This is what's going to be replacing the Ultimate bag. I do have a video already on this, so we're not going to go through that today. But as you can see on the top here, I have three sections. The first one is the Glam Bag. That's the starter bag. That's what we're going to be looking at first. So it's telling me I can choose a product. And on each one of the levels, you get the opportunity to choose the product. So the choices that they're giving for me are the Artist Couture. It looks like a plush pout in Shameless, Sunday Riley, the A+ high dose retinol serum. These are all sample sizes. And if you haven't tried the Sunday Riley A+, it is excellent. So this is a really good choice for you guys to try. IT Cosmetics is the Superhero Mascara, is another one that I really enjoy and recommend. Benefit Cosmetics, another good one. This is the Brow. My brow, it's in warm light brown. Other people might get different colors or different selections. These are my selections that I'm sharing with you. They gave me the choice of either light brown or medium neutral brown. Gold Faden MD, another fantastic brand that I highly recommend. I have tried a few of his products, and each one of them has been excellent. In this section here gets me very excited because the Glam Bag is supposed to be just sample sizes. So when you see brushes, the brushes are usually full size. So that's a really great deal. And that is the IPSY exclusive limited edition powder brush by this brand called Beau Cashish, as well as another limited in a tapered highlighting brush. And wow, there's some more selection. Another brush, it looks like, this is contour. And then they have from Il Mascal a skin-based foundation in 9. And Use Me Hair Wave Curl Cream. And then they have a couple of masks that look really cute from the Cream Shop. So those are the options. And then they have, if you don't choose, you can then let them choose one for you. Right now we're going to go out of this. So those were the choices that I'm going to have to choose from. And then we're going to go to the Ultimate to see what my choice selections are going to be under that. So here we go. Okay, so on this one here, the selections that I have are from Artist Couture. They have these eyeshadows that are the loose pigment. Artist Couture is a really fantastic line. I've had an opportunity to try a lot of his products in the loose, and his pigmentation is really strong and beautiful. So if that's of interest to you, what I have tried is his Diamond Glow powders, and they are really the pigmentation, like I said, is just beautiful, but they're loose pigment. The other choices that I have here are from Kenra Professional. That is one of the higher end lines that I do use for my hair. This is their Platinum Restore. And Tula Skincare, another good line. This is their face cleanser, which I have used and enjoyed. This Fairify Skincare is a new one to me. Studio Makeup, I've only had an opportunity to try one of their products, and it was an eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow, and it wasn't one that I enjoyed. And then the last choice that I have here is the Claret RX Glimmer of Hope Shimmer Facial Oil. And those are my selections for my last Glam Bag. All right, and now let's take a look and go into the Glam Bag Plus, which is the mid-range, and that one is the one that is the $25 a month. And you'll get to make your selections on this one on the 2nd, but what they do allow you to do is get into the flash sale. So let's see what you're getting the opportunity to get here. So the flash sale is a $48 sale, a 48-hour sale, and it has free shipping. It ships on its own, and you usually get it around either just before, if they're fast, your December bags even start to arrive. So here we go. So they have these deluxe size duos, and usually they promise you that whatever they're showing here is not going to be in the add-ons, and it's only in the flash sale that I've ever seen the duos for $5, which I have enjoyed. So let's go through a few of these and see if there's any help that I can give you in some of your selections. The Murad and Georgette Klinger. Murad, a fantastic line. I've tried it and enjoyed it. Georgette Klinger is a new one to me that I'm starting to see a little bit more in IPSY, so I'm excited to learn more about that brand. Tula and Feel, also both excellent products, and both have used those two, and they're both really good. Same thing with the next two, the Belief and BioRace. Those are also both great products. Also, if you're not familiar and you want to know more information, you simply click on the picture and it will bring you to another page that will give you a lot more information on the products. The next one is the Pearly Say Beauty Duo. That is the watermelon one. It is just fantastic. The one beside it I'm not familiar with. The next, they have some more Pearly Say Beauty and some Wonder Beauty. Like I said, I'm not familiar with that Pearly's one at all. And Wonder Beauty is another fantastic brand that I love, is showing up in a lot of the boxes. The next one is KVD Vegan. That used to be the Kat Von D line. And Siete London. If that's their loose setting powder from Siete London, I highly recommend it. It has turned into one of my favorites. IT Cosmetics and Pure. That's a definite win-win combo. I have tried both products and I enjoy both. The next one is from Pure. I'm not familiar with the one on the right in the tube, but if that's the face powder, it was the first solid foundation in a powder that I used years ago, and it was a staple in my wardrobe for many, many years. Then from Morphe and Koki, these are two great brands also that I've had the opportunity to try. Usually the Morphe concealer in here is the full size, so if the colors are right for you, that's great. I've also tried this Koki Cosmetics. If that's the setting spray, it is really nice as well. Then next to it, we have another great combo that I highly recommend, the CC from the IT, as well as the Pearly Say. And then the Yensa, also another great brand, and they're pairing it up with that Pure Selfie, which is a new one, like I said, to me. The Pearly Say BB Cream is also very good. And this YC collection, if this is their banana powder, I own that and enjoy that as well. A lot of these look like products that I've already have enjoyed, and I think they're great deals for all of you here. The MAC Cosmetics, also very good, tied up with the Pearly Say, two fantastic brands. Artist Couture and Ofra, if that's a full-size Ofra, which it looks like blush, their blushes are absolutely fantastic. And it looks like that other choice that I had in my selection might be from Artist Couture, that lip product. Then here again, we have from Hannah Lay and Pearly Sea Beauty. Hannah Lay, do not close your eyes to that product line. I have tried a few products from that. It's a product that's out of Hawaii, and they are very, very good. Siete London, another one that I highly recommend. And the Suva Beauty is one that I use almost at least once a week in my inner corner or in the center of my eyelid. It is a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow. Douce and Arceli Beauty, both lines that I have enjoyed, and those products are also really good as well. Jante Bleu is a less expensive product line, but it is a good one. And Scone Cosmetics, I'm not that familiar with. Then we have Seraphine Botanicals and Estate Cosmetics. These are these baked products. You just have to get sometimes past that first layer to really see what the products are all about, but this is a good place to try it to see if it's something you would like. Next, Siete London. This is their primer, really enjoyable. And the Balm Cosmetics, those are those little blushes or eyeshadows. They are fantastic. They're in cardboard. They're easy to carry. They're beautiful, and the pigmentation is just stunning. Douce and Wet and Wild, unbelievable that Wet and Wild is in here. Wet and Wild's highlighters are some of the best highlighters. I know they're not expensive, but they are really, really good. And Douce is an expensive eyeshadow, so that's a really fun combination. Then they have from ICO and the Balm Cosmetics. The ICO product for me is not always a win. Their mascara, a lot of people swear by it, so that's some area that you get to try in this section to see if it works for you. Then from Context Skin and C'est Moi Beauty, if the Context Skin lipsticks are fantastic. They're some of my favorites, and usually when they're in this section, they are sometimes full size, but like I said, click on the picture and check what that's all about. Then from Meech and Mia, that's a new one for me, and IPSY. Then beside it, again, we've already discussed those two brands, as well as the one beside it. Sienna B. Miami, I have tried her products and I enjoy them as well. Bella Pierre, another one. This is usually full-size lipsticks in this area, and they are beautiful and highly recommend, and especially in this section. Next one, NYX. If you haven't had an opportunity to try NYX and this color speaks to you, that's also a really good product. Lovecraft Beauty is another brand that I have had the opportunity to try and enjoy. The next one is Tarte and IPSY, both fantastic brands. And Tarte Blushes, that looks like it might be one of their Amazonian clay, and that I highly recommend. Benefit Cosmetics, this looks like the miniature version of their brow, and that Douce mascara I own and enjoy as well. So another one that I've had the opportunity to tell you guys, those are both good. Phase Zero Makeup and the Balm Cosmetics, also two brands that I've tried and enjoyed. So everything here looks like they are brands that I've had the opportunity to try and I recommend. The Siete London and the Balm Cosmetics, that's a great combo too. That blush is very similar to the Hourglass blush, and when I had the opportunity to buy every color of it, I did. Again, the Ofra, check what color that is. It looks like it probably is another full-size blush. That's another win. Then they have some nail polishes from brands that I'm not that familiar with. The brands that I really enjoy for nail polish are my Deborah Lipman, which is why you're seeing them in my True One Sneaker bags, as well as Essie. Those are two of my brands that I really go to when it comes to nail polish. Then we have here Pure Brazilian and Twisted Sister. This looks like it's for curly hair girls. And then it looks like they have some sheet masks, which are always fun to have. All right, the next item that we have here are their full-size duos. These are always great deals. This one, first one, I'm not familiar with this Spotlight Oral. I'm going to look deeper in it when we are not filming. And then Dose of Colors, fantastic. I enjoy their glosses as well as their liquid lipsticks. If their colors are the ones that speak to you, that is a great place to try it for $8. The Slay Gerard Cosmetics, I got very lucky. I shared with you guys, I got a fantastic deal on a trio, and a lot of the girls are very connected to this Gerard cosmetic brand, but at $8, I think if you want to try a good setting spray, this is where you go. These pink milk masks from Duft and Doft, do not close your eyes to them. They are fantastic. I really enjoy it. And Hey Honey, another fantastic line. And these are what they're saying is full size. So to get a Hey Honey for $8, if what is in it is what you want, like I said, click on the picture, you will really be impressed with that line. And that price for $8 is a steal. Nature's Cartel and Real Her. Real Her, their eyeshadows that come in these little squares, I enjoy very much. I had the opportunity to try a couple years ago and I wasn't that impressed, but they definitely changed their formulation and I have been enjoying those. I have received those in past boxes. This Nomad Cosmetics, I will try again. I have ordered it in flash sales, and for some reason, whenever that's ordered in my flash sale, I don't get it and I just get reimbursed for it. So I will keep my fingers crossed that I will try it again. I've been trying to get this palette for a while. Then we have Girlactic and Siete London, both fantastic brands. Wonder Beauty, if this is their foundation, check the color. But those eyeshadow, I use both items that are in that square and I enjoy both of them very much. Smith & Colt, also a very expensive brand. Their packaging, don't think it's dented when you receive it. That's how their packaging is. It's very unique. But if you would like to try these colors in their nail polish, that's available to you too. Then they have some bundles here for $24. And then, like I said, check inside what all the colors are. But from what I see here on the picture, these are products that I have enjoyed. This one on the left is a very drawing liquid, if it's from Cake Beauty, on me, the liquid lipstick. And I know a few girls got it in their previous BoxyCharm, so check that out. Then they have some hair treatment samplers here, and then they have a beautiful holiday bundle, which looks really intriguing, for $24. That seems to have a lot of products like from the Balm, as well as that somehow that eyeshadow quad looks familiar to me. I'll have to check what that is. And then they have a bunch of eyeshadow brushes. And then they have another bundle here that is the Healthy Complexion bundle. So that's really exciting. So I'm just going to click on one of these here so you'll see what I mean when you go in. If you click on the picture, it's saying this is a $24 value, $24 bundle, and it's saying it is a value of $114.29. And then it gives you the rundown of what the products are that are going to be in here. And they have the Sienna B brush set, so that's who the brushes are. The palette is one that I know. It is the Color Rain Cosmetics. This is the Color Rain that a few people have mentioned, and I looked into it. It is made for IPSY in not in the USA. So, but I've used this product and I've enjoyed it, but I know there was a little bit of controversy on that. Then this is the Bow brand that I'm not familiar with. It's an illuminator brush, and the Hikari Cosmetics is one that I haven't had the opportunity to try, but it's a cream pigment, and I'm not into cream pigments. And the Balm Cosmetics is an item from their Girl Power palette, which I have used and I have enjoyed. So that's everything that are the options for today in their flash sale. Now I'm going to sit down and do some of my choices, and I hopefully will see you all when I open it up on my channel. Once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. Happy shopping. Everyone continue to stay safe so we can all stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.